Good afternoon. Chief guest to this departmental degree distribution program D3P, Professor R. Ajit Shenoy, graduates, distinguished invitees, faculty and staff colleagues, students and parents. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the departmental level degree distribution program as part of the 58th convocation of IIT Madras. This year we are privileged to have Professor R. Ajit Shenoy to address our graduates today and share his thoughts. I welcome Professor R. Ajit Shenoy on behalf of Department of Ocean Engineering and IIT Madras and our students. I am also pleased to welcome the August Assembly comprising of graduates, students, parents, guests and my own faculty and staff colleagues. While IIT Madras has sustained the number 1 NIRF ranking among engineering institutions for the 6th consecutive year since inception, it also retained number 1 position in the overall category for the 3rd consecutive year. We are also ranked number 2 in the country as a research institution. We are also proud to report that we are ranked 45th in the marine and ocean engineering category in the subject ranking by academic ranking of world universities ARWEU. This is in addition to our continued stance in the first position at the national level in terms of expertise and projects. I congratulate the students, faculty and staff of our department for maintaining high standards and raising the bar higher every passing year. This year we are awarding a total of 85 degrees comprising of 25 BTechs, 9 dual degree BTech and MTech under the core discipline of naval architecture and ocean engineering, 8 BTech and MTech in the core discipline of naval architecture and interdisciplinary dual degree, 9 MTech in ocean engineering, 7 MTech in ocean technology and 6 MTech in petroleum engineering disciplines. We are also awarding 5 MS and 16 PhD degrees under research based programs. The PhDs also comprise of 9 regular PhD degrees and 7 MS or MTech cum PhD degrees as dual degrees. Our current faculty strength is 24 in 3 broad domain expertise: naval architecture, ocean engineering and petroleum engineering, including Professor R. Sundaravadivelu and Professor V. Sundar as emeritus professors in the department. With the support of 9 ministerial and technical staff, we have been running our core BTech program and 3 MTech programs in addition to research based MS and PhD programs. Our current total strength is 610 with 192 BTechs, 68 dual degree BTech MTech, 108 MTech, 58 MS and 179 PhD, including 2 PMRF students and 3 postdoctoral fellowship. This year the department recruited 2 new faculty members, Dr. Vijay KG and Dr. K. Narendran. We further share with you some glimpses of our achievements during the academic year 2020 and 2021. Facilities under academic research. The achievements of the department at all spheres globally and nationally became possible with our continued and successful research performance. The department introduced several new courses in ocean engineering and petroleum engineering streams for the benefit of students of ocean engineering and other allied departments of IIT Madras. This year we also revamped the entire course structure to reflect the recent needs. Dr. Suresh Rajendran worked on development of autonomous surface vehicle for maneuvering study and testing for different navigation conditions, control and guidance algorithms. Professor Murali's group at NTC PwC have developed and demonstrated several technologies including autonomous ocean monitoring, unmanned and autonomous surface crafts with advanced navigation algorithms, night navigation solution in Brahmaputra river among others. Professor Jitendra Sangwai acquired an inverted microscope and a self propelled ship model was developed by Dr. Suresh Rajendran. Major industrial consultancy and sponsored research. During 2021, the faculty of the department have maintained a healthy portfolio of projects even with the effect of the pandemic. They have secured major sponsored research based industrial consultancy projects and industrial consultancy worth 35 crores. These activities help to develop and maintain world class facilities in the department. Some of the key projects are highlighted below. The department secured 3 major recognitions by bagging 3 projects under Institution of Eminence program. These are Seafloor large scale ocean research, SMART smart marine technology, and another project on marine autonomous systems. Dr. Abdus Samad bagged a project on disinfecting indoor air against diseases such as COVID-19 and TB in cities in the Indian subcontinent, funded by Royal Academy of Engineering. Dr. Suresh Rajendran secured several projects relating to hydroelastic responses of ships, unified seakeeping and maneuvering of ships in adverse weather conditions, development of control systems for seagoing autonomous surface vehicles, and advanced ship maneuvering based on machine learning, etc. Apart from this, several colleagues including Dr. Sriram, Professor Sannasiraj, Professor Srinivasan Chandrasekharan, Dr. Vijay Kumar, Dr. Abdus Samad have also backed several significant projects. In this year, the total number of papers published in reputed peer reviewed journals with a good impact factor is about 130. The average number of journal papers per faculty per year is 5.4, which is higher than the average of the best universities around the world. In addition, about 22 Scopus indexed conference publications have been published and presented by our students and faculty. The faculty of the department have contributed significantly to knowledge generation in terms of publication of books. This year our faculty have published 3 books and 5 book chapters. In the intellectual property front, the faculty of the department filed 4 new patents in this year. Academic distinctions secured by our faculty members and students. Our students won 6 prizes and awards, including 3 best thesis awards. Several other edited volumes and book chapters were published by faculty colleagues. The faculty also won 6 prizes at various events. Awards and fellowships won by students. Rishabh Raj for his outstanding research in MS thesis, Institute Research Award 2021 given by IIT Madras. Madan Kumar Young Researcher Award, Institution of Engineers India, Rajasthan. Karthikeyan T Young Researcher Award 2021, Institution of Engineers India, Rajasthan. Tapas Kumar Das outstanding work done for his PhD thesis, Institute Research Award 2021 given by IIT Madras. Karthikeyan T Young Researcher Award 2021, Institution of Engineers India, Rajasthan. Tapas Kumar Das outstanding work done for his PhD thesis, Institute Research Award 2021 given by IIT Madras. Varunan T Institute Research Award 2019-20, Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Gaurav Pandey Bhagilakshmi and Krishna Iyengar Award, Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Awards and fellowships won by faculty members. V. Sriram, ISOP Session Organizer of the Year 2020, awarded by ISOP. Srinivasan Chandrasekharan Best Reviewer Award of 2021, Korean Society of Steel Structures and International Journal of Steel Structures. Abdus Samad Outstanding Engineering Services Award by Institution of Engineers India. Suresh Rajendran ISEM Duo India Fellowship, ISEM Duo. V. Sriram Humboldt Fellowship by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation. Outreach programs. Dr. V. Sriram has conducted second international workshop on numerical and experimental modeling of wave structure interaction, organized in collaboration with University College London and City University. The workshop had lectures from 17 international speakers in the field from 10 countries. The online event attracted about 500 participants from various countries. Dr. P. Ananthakrishnan adopted researchers in ocean engineering overseas from countries like USA, Sweden, Greece and Norway to let them aware of Oceans 2022 conference to be hosted by IIT Madras and NIOT in February 2022, and how they may contribute to the contribute by presenting technical papers and conducting tutorials. Dr. Srinivasan Chandrasekharan, based on the patent awarded, now making a tie up with L&T and a Korean company for large scale solar plant of 600 megawatt in India. Dr. V. Sundar, Dr. S. A. Sannasiraj, Dr. K. Murali conducted seminar on CMIS training program. Dr. V. Sundar, Dr. Sannasiraj and Dr. K. Murali conducted also a workshop on at a national level on coastal management information system. Dr. Suresh Rajendran and Dr. Antonio Pascol conducted advanced control of navigation autonomous marine vehicles. Dr. V. Sriram and Dr. Shikwang Yan conducted second international workshop on numerical and experimental modeling of wave structure interaction. With this brief report, I now invite Dr. Abhilash Somayajula to introduce the chief guest for the program.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the head of the department and my colleagues, I welcome you all to the convocation ceremony of the Department of Ocean Engineering. It is my pleasure to introduce and welcome Professor Ajit Shenoy from University of Southampton. He is the founder and the first director of the Southampton Marine and Maritime Institute, SMMI, that now comprises of about 300 academic staff and 1000 researchers and studies issues connected with the ocean's influence on the well-being of mankind. The research undertaken here today encompasses varied areas including impact of oceans on climate change, oceanic food, energy, water, minerals, trade, shipping, and even heritage and culture. Professor Shenoy graduated in 1974 with a degree in naval architecture from IIT Kharagpur and joined Mazagon Docks, Mumbai right after his graduation. Later, he also spent some time at Arya National Shipping Lines in Tehran. After spending 4 years in the industry, he returned to academia to pursue his doctorate at University of Strathclyde in Glasgow, which he obtained in 1981. Since then, he has been at the University of Southampton as a lecturer, senior lecturer, reader, and professor. In addition, Professor Shenoy is a chartered engineer and also a fellow of the Institution of Naval Architects, Institution of Mechanical Engineers, and the Royal Institution of Naval Architects. In his career spanning more than 4 decades, Professor Shenoy has been focused on understanding and developing advanced materials and structures for ship design and production. He has supervised over 50 PhD students and has published 15 books and over 300 papers in journals and conference proceedings. He also holds 3 patents. Professor Shenoy's research has led to the development of new design standards and production processes for advanced composite materials and structures in ships, boats, and submarines. He regularly collaborates with shipyards, shipping companies, material suppliers, regulatory bodies, the Royal Navy, the Royal National Lifeboat Institution, and maritime engineering consultants from across UK, Europe, and Asia. Professor Shenoy has received medals and prizes for his work from Institute of Petroleum Scotland and Royal Institution of Naval Architects. He has been awarded the Industry Fellowship from the Royal Society and the Royal Academy of Engineering, and he has held visiting professorships in several universities in China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Singapore, the Netherlands, and the UK. He was honored for being invited as the Scholar in Residence in Ship Technology at Cochin University of Science and Technology in 2012 and has received the Distinguished Alumnus Award from IIT Kharagpur in 2019. We are honored to have Professor Shenoy with us today to share his wisdom with the graduating students on this auspicious occasion. Without further ado, I invite Professor Shenoy to address this august audience.
Thank you. Professor Murali, head of the department, esteemed staff at the Ocean Engineering Department, graduates and guests. I'm honored to have been invited to address you all on this very special day. I first came to IIT Madras in the early summer of 1969 for my placement interview after the joint entrance examination results were announced. My first, second, and third choices then were naval architecture, which at that time was available only in Kharagpur. So I missed studying the subject in IIT Madras. Still, the memories of that visit, the wonderful campus, have stayed with me over the years, and they have been nurtured by collaborations with the professors at IIT Madras and by occasional visits to the department. This graduation occasion for me, therefore, represents the closing of a loop. Thank you very much for having me. I start by offering congratulations to three groups of people. First of all, congratulations to the graduating students for having successfully completed your studies at IIT Madras, which is universally recognized as one of the world's premier institutions and one of the world's leading ocean engineering departments. I'm sure that you have been very diligent over the past few years, putting in many hours of study in order to develop your knowledge and skills in this field. You must have worked harder than ever before and at the same time relished the intellectual stimulation of a truly challenging degree. Very few things in life equal the joy of mastering a difficult subject. And so you've had success and you've had fun at the same time in achieving that success. Undoubtedly, you would have had a great social life too in a beautiful campus. You must also have made many friendships here. Some of these will be lifelong ones. Cherish them. Well done in having navigated the demanding academic life at IIT Madras and reaching the finishing line. Secondly, congratulations to the families and supporters of the graduating students. You have provided unstinting moral, physical, and emotional support to the graduates over the years. Your guidance will have benefited them throughout their studies. Now, you can step back from that supportive role and enjoy this wonderful day of success. I'm sure that the graduates will join me in acknowledging your vital contributions to their degree and thank you for your part in the successful completion of their course. Thirdly, congratulations to the staff on graduating another group of exceptional students. You've enthusiastically delivered high-quality academic content and guided your students' efforts through the projects and assignments with patience and good humor. Over these past 2 years, you would have dealt with unprecedented circumstances owing to COVID, and at the same time, you would have had to ensure that the students received the same top-quality education. A great deal of thought and planning would have gone into this, most of it behind the scenes. I now invite the students and their supporters to join me in thanking you, the staff, for all your sustained efforts in helping the graduates to meet the challenges of what must be one of the toughest, but at the same time most rewarding of engineering courses. Now I turn to you, the class of 2021. As you know, the oceans are most important for the survival of humankind. They're crucial in storing atmospheric carbon and regulating climate, a source for food and a large proportion of our protein intake, the repository for a significant proportion of our planet's mineral and oil and energy resources. They're the highways of international trade, transporting essential food, oil, gas, and finished goods. All this leading to the oceans, providing livelihoods for many millions of people around the world. Graduates, you are leaving the comforts of IIT Madras, the institution that has nurtured and educated you in the most up-to-date manner and equipped you in the capabilities to upskill yourselves even more through your careers as the opportunities will demand. Now, when you enter the professional sphere, look at deploying your expertise alongside other new emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence, augmented and virtual reality, and the very brand new metaverse. Exciting times and an exciting future. Make these technologies work for you in the ocean engineering workplace. Make them work for your product, for your process, for your service. Make them work for your customers. And most of all, make them work for the benefit of the people and society around you. For the remainder of my talk, I shall focus on one simple message for you to take away from today's ceremonies and from IIT Madras. That message, and the biggest takeaway, is to leave your alma mater with an attitude. Attitude with a capital A. This attitude is characterized by 4 H attributes, which are hard work, honesty, humility, and humanity. An attitude of hard work, focus on good problem-solving methods and ensuring good outcomes for the products and services that you will be offering. An attitude of honesty with your colleagues, your clients, your supporters, and being uncompromising about always upholding the truth. An attitude of humility. It is important to understand that while you know a great deal about engineering, you're not infallible. Nobody is infallible. You should appreciate other people's inputs and ideas. And most important of all, an attitude of humanity. And by this, I mean displaying empathy, kindness, and compassion towards everyone you encounter in daily life. I close my talk by invoking the motto of your alma mater, namely, Siddhir Bhavati Karmaja. That is, success is born out of action. Go forth, always acting in an ethical manner. Your good actions will honor your parents, your elders, your teachers, and your alma mater. Most importantly, direct your actions to improve the conditions of the people and life in this world. Once again, congratulations and all the very best for a great, fulfilling, and successful future. Thank you.
I thank Professor Ajit Shenoy for a very thought-provoking and inspirational speech. We now present the details of prizes received by our students at the institute level and at the department level. Institute Merit Prize joint winners OE 19 M003 Srijesh N. To the student with the best academic record in MTech in Ocean Engineering Department, along with Rice D. Fernandez,
A very warm good evening to the Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Murli, Head of Department, and professors, faculty, and students of Department of Ocean Engineering, IIT Madras. I am thrilled to express my gratitude on such a momentous occasion of my life. It is an honor for me to receive the Institute Merit Prize and American Bureau of Shipping Award. I feel very grateful to the professors and staff of the department, especially my project guide, Professor R. Sundar Vadivellu, who has been a constant support. I would also like to congratulate my fellow colleagues for the successful completion of MTech from the #1 institute of the country. Like they say, behind every successful man, there is a woman. In my case, I had two, my wife and my lovely daughter, who have been there throughout my academic journey, constantly supporting and motivating me. Last but not the least, I thank my parents for their prayers and blessings. Wishing all the graduates all the very best for their future professional journey. Stay happy, stay safe, Jai Hind.
Siddhir Bhavdi Karmacha, which means success is born out of action. Keeping our institute logo in mind, I would like to congratulate all my fellow graduates for successfully completing the course. I really feel privileged to be a part of this prestigious organization, and I'm deeply humbled and honored to receive the Institute Merit Prize and the American Bureau of Shipping Prize. I would take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to all the professors and faculty members of Ocean Engineering Department for the timely guidance and support extended to me during the course. I would sincerely thank my project guide, Dr. R. Vijay Kumar, and panel members for the constant support and steering my MTech thesis in the right direction. I would like to thank my parents and my beloved wife for the unconditional love and support extended to me and keeping me motivated. I do strongly believe that God Almighty's blessings are the prime motivation for successful completion of my course. I wish the department and my fellow graduates all the very best for their future endeavors. Thank you and Jai Hind.
American Bureau of Shipping Prize NA 17B036 Edecott Zubin Wilson to the BTech student with the best academic record in naval architecture and ocean engineering.
Hello everyone, I am deeply humbled to be awarded the American Bureau of Shipping Prize. I would like to congratulate my fellow graduating students. The past 4 years have transformed me and pushed me harder and harder to aim high and achieve my dreams. I am grateful to all the professors and my parents who have guided me through these years. I would like to thank Professor Sriram and Professor Vijay Kumar for helping me during my applications for higher studies. I wish everyone the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
Good Earth Shipbuilding Prize to the dual degree MTech and BTech student with the best academic record in naval architecture and ocean engineering NA 16B026 Mahendel Devrat Deepak.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the graduating students and their parents. I am honored to receive this prize. I would like to thank my parents and brother for their constant support through difficult times. Also, I can't forget all the memorable moments that I had with my friends at the campus. I thank all the professors and staff of IIT Madras for helping the students. I encourage everyone to make use of education facilities and infrastructure provided by IIT Madras for the betterment of themselves and for the country also. I believe that help will always be given at IIT Madras to those who ask for it. Thank you.
At the departmental level, American Bureau of Shipping Prize as joint winners to the MTech student with the best academic record in ocean engineering stream, to OE19M001 Rice B. Fernandez, OE19M003 CJ N. Professor K.A.V. Pandalai Prize to the MTech student with the best academic record in ocean technology, to OE19 M021 Roshan Singh.
I am very happy to receive the Professor K.V. Pandalai Prize Award. This is among the most significant event of my student career, and I shall look at this day with great fondness. I assure you that this award will serve as a great motivator for all of my future projects. I will I would also like to duly recognize my professors, especially Dr. Paneer Selvam sir, my faculty advisor P. Sangumam sir, Tarun sir, and many more who taught me courses. Also my project guide, Dr. Avilash Sharma sir and Dr. M.C. Sinha ma'am from NIOT, and my friends for offering free therapy for all these years. And finally to my parents on whom my success rides. Thank you.
Professor Vallam Sundar Prize as joint winner to the best PhD thesis in the area of marine hydrodynamics and coastal engineering in ocean engineering. To OE 15D036 Manmada Krishnan P, OE 13D203 Saravanan G.
It's my honor and immense pleasure to get the Professor Vallam Sundar Prize Award for the best PhD thesis in the field of marine hydrodynamics and ocean engineering. And I'm extending my heartfelt thanks to all the members who supported me to get this award. And I'm also extending my heartfelt thanks to my research supervisor, Dr. Professor R. Paneerselvam, and who supported me with these valuable ideas and supported me with a lot during my PhD thesis. And I'm also extending the heartfelt thanks to the faculty members and the instrumentation team of our Department of Ocean Engineering for supporting me with a great facility to do experiment. And I'm also thankful to the carpentry shop who supported me with the best model for my experimental studies. And I'm also thankful to all the co-research fellows who supported me with their ideas that created a great impact on my research. And I'm also extending my heartfelt thanks to my family members, my father, mother, sister, and especially my wife and the daughter who supported me with their valuable time and love during my PhD thesis. And I'm also extending the thanks to the IIT Madras for providing me with a good opportunity and green environment to get this degree. And I'm dedicating this degree and medal to my late brother, Mr. P. Prabharan, who is now not with us today. And thank you.
Hi everyone. It's my honor to receive the Professor Vallam Sundar Award for my PhD thesis. First of all, I would like to thank our Professor Vallam Sundar for his contribution for the endowment of this award for the scholars of the Department of Ocean Engineering, IIT Madras. And at this moment, I would like to thank my supervisor, Professor Deepak Kumar, for his immense support and technical guidance during my PhD. Also, I'd like to thank other professors, Professor Murali, Professor Sanasiraj, Professor Paneerselvam, Professor Prasad Patnaik, Professor Anandakrishnan, Professor Suresh Kumar, Professor Suresh Rajendran, Professor Sriram, Professor Nilanjan Saga, Professor Narendran Kumar, and Professor Vijay, and other faculty members of the department for their technical discussion during my PhD. And I'll also like to thank my friends and family members for their immense support during my PhD.
Shri RRP Sinha and Vimla Devi Prize to the MTech student with the best academic record in petroleum engineering in MTech. To the student PE 19M009 Utkarsh Lal.
Hello, warm greetings to everyone. It's a great honor for me to receive Shri RRP Sinha and Vimla Devi Prize for the best academic record in petroleum engineering. I want to share this award with my parents and my guide, Professor G. Suresh Kumar, and my fellow mates who provided their constant support throughout my life. And I feel honored to share this award with my colleagues as well. So congratulations everyone and have a great day. Thank you.
Class NK 100 prize to the best project in the area in shipbuilding and shipping, NA 17B030, Zinage Shernik Vijay Kumar.
Hello everyone, I am very thankful to IIT Madras for considering me worthy of this award. It was always my childhood dream of pursuing education at this institute. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to IIT Madras for providing me with a good research environment and pushing me harder and harder to pursue my dreams. First and foremost, I would like to thank my final year project guide, Dr. Abhilash, for his patient guidance, continuous motivation, and valuable suggestions all the way throughout my education at IIT Madras. One of the main transformations which I find in myself working under him is responsiveness and calmness under any adversity. I'm truly indebted to him for the changes he has made in my scientific thinking and personal attitude. I would also like to thank all the professors, especially my project committee members, Dr. Suresh, Dr. Anand Krishnan and Dr. Vijay Kumar, for their valuable suggestions throughout my project work at IIT Madras. Last but not the least, I am truly grateful towards my parents and my brother who have been patient with me and motivated me every day to pursue my interest. They have been very understanding and have supported me at each and every step throughout my journey. Thank you.
We now present the degrees being conferred in this convocation to our students. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, OE 14D014 Rajeshwari, OE 14D015 Sunila Jangam, OE 14D025 Kunal Narendra Tiwari, OE 15D036 Manmada Krishnan P, OE 15D042 Rajupati M, OE 13D009 Mr. Syed Ahmad Hassan, OE 13D039 Somasundar S, OE 17D017 Syed Azim Uddin, OE 18D011 Pachayappan S. Dual degree Master of Science and Doctor of Philosophy, PhD. OE 13D203 Saravanan G, OE 14D210 Manoj Kumar G, OE 14D212 Brij Kishore, OE 15D200 Antis K Martin, OE 17D700 Vadiraju Venkata Shesha Sricharan, dual degree Master of Technology MTech and Doctor of Philosophy, PhD. OE 11D024 Sivagama Sundari, OE 13D208 Ravinder R, Master of Science MS by Research, OE 16 S019 Nutan Kumari, OE 17 S017 Tipanjan Karanjai, OE 17 S020 Gautam Maurya, OE 17 S021 Rishabh Raj, OE 18 S005 Paramesh S, Master of Technology MTech in Ocean Engineering, OE 19 M001 Rice D Fernandez, OE 19 M003 Srijesh N, OE 19 M006 Gaddamalla Pavitra, OE 19 M009 Parthasarathi Reddy Perla, OE 19 M010 Pavan KR, OE 19 M015 Subhash Kumar Patel, OE 19 M018 Piyush Deepak Rao Vairel, OE 19 M019 Pranit Pankaj, OE 19 M020 Ravi Kumar, Master of Technology MTech in Petroleum Engineering, PE 19 M001 Divyansh Sethi, PE 19 M002 Jayant Jarkande, PE 19 M005 Pankaj Kumar, PE 19 M009 Utkarsh Lal, PE 19 M010 Chavda Vivek Kumar Bhavesh Bhai, PE 19 M014 Yelluri Kiran, Master of Technology in Ocean Engineering as user oriented program, OE 19 M016 Bitupan Swargiyari, OE 19 M017 Hilton Basumatari, OE 19 M021 Roshan Singh, OE 19 M025 Jimmy Kumar Bharti, OE19 M026 Shelke Shubham Ratnakar, OE19 M030 Dugineni Shivaprasad, OE19 M031 Satish Kumar E. Dual degree BTech and MTech. NA15 B042 Pravesh Rana Vaddapalli, NA15 B044 Ranjiv Kumar, NA16 B101 Aditi Kandare, NA16 B103 Himanshu Yadav, NA16 B104 Vikash Katti, NA16 B106 Adnin Ayub, NA16 B107 Ame Ajju Kumar, NA16 B109 Chinta Akash, NA16 B118 JP Siddharth. Interdisciplinary dual degree in data sciences, NA16 B026 Mahendal Devrath Deepak, NA16 B116 Sanal Kumar K, NA16 B117 Kavish Kulin Shah. Interdisciplinary dual degree in computational engineering, NA16 B108 Bijlani Ashish Sanjay. Interdisciplinary dual degree in robotics, NA16 B102 Anshul Kumar Singh, NA16 B110 Deep Sani, NA16 B112 Ashish Shahuraj Maknikar, NA16 B115 Rajwal Kumar. Bachelor of Technology BTech, NA12 B005 Badugu Jayachandra, NA13 B008 Desavat Tarun Kumar Naik, NA16 B012 Sai Kumar Naik, NA17 B002 G Lok Sai, NA17 B003 Jaspreet Kaur, NA17 B005 Shriram Sumant, NA17 B007 Ashik Muhammad Sadar R, NA17 B008 Abel Sibi, NA17 B010 Bansode Akshay Kumar, NA17 B012 Chappala Dinesh, NA17 B013 Kondaviti Pramod Chandra, NA17 B015 Mude Karthik Naik, NA17 B017 Nallapatti Akil, NA17 B019 Nitish S, NA17 B020 PS Johnson Adams, NA17 B024 Rohit Dheeraj R, NA17 B025 Sandesh Atawale, NA17 B026 Satkirti Shriram, NA17 B028 Shartak Siddharth, NA17 B029 Shivam Damani, NA17 B030 Zinage Shrenik Vijay Kumar, NA17 B031 Shiansh Gupta, NA17 B033 Shrijanya or NA17 B035 Utkarsh Salian, NA17 B036 Edekard Zubin Wilson. I now declare the convocation closed.